Hello everyone, welcome to Rachna's Fitness Show. I'm your host Rachna. This show is all about getting you off the couch and getting you working out. Hearing a lot of echo here, so let's get that figured out. But in the meanwhile, let me give you the number of the studio, 408-912-5565. Again, 408-912-5565. ये है स्टूडियो का नंबर. And again, आप सुन रहे हैं रचना को रचना's Fitness Show पे. I do come every Wednesday between 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. We do take your live calls. And अगर आपके पास कोई question है exercise से related, nutrition से related, fitness से related, you're definitely welcome to give us a call at the studio पे. And I'll be happy to take your calls if you have a question about our specific programs. Again, information about me. I'm a fitness expert. I'm the owner of Rachna's Wellness. That was started about more than can say about close to 9-10 years now, and I've been doing these radio shows actually for just about 7 years now, and just started with AC 1170 just about when they started, and this was I think just about the end of 2009. So I've been coming every Wednesday, 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. We do take your live calls. We take talk about exercise, nutrition, and I've talked about just so many different vast topics of how to be healthy, how to lose weight, and I've of course get a lot of people telling me that they've been listening to me and just listening, and they've done amazing changes because every time pick something interesting from my show and then adopt and try to apply that to lifestyle, and of course you're going to be a healthy person soon enough. And again, the goal is to be healthy, the goal is to be exercising, the goal is to be fit, the goal is that you don't have all these diseases, you don't end up having diabetes and sugar and whatnot. So all these things are definitely आपके हाथ में है. अगर आप नहीं ये सब छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को फॉलो करोगे तो बहुत जल्दी ये सब issues आपको आने लग पड़ेंगे. इनफैक्ट आजकल तो लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन 20s and 30s स्टार्ट हैविंग ग्लूकोज इश्यूज़, डायबिटीज़ इश्यूज़, बॉर्डरलाइन डायबिटिक हो जाते हैं, बैक इश्यूज़ आने लग पड़ते हैं, व्हाट नॉट, विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंट हो जाता है, बोन डेंसिटी कम हो जाती है, just all kind of topics. And again, everything is all related. So again, that's exactly what I've been doing on the show for the last so many years. We talk about some health related topics, either news or research, and talking about exercising. Again, अगर आप हमारे किसी program में interested हैं, I do have of course a fitness center located here in Sunnyvale, California. And again, this is the physical center, but that does not mean अगर आप हमारा program कहीं और से सुन रहे हैं, हमारे of course all the programs are perfectly designed to be done from wherever in the world that you are. So if you are listening to the show that you do not live close local in this area, you're definitely welcome to give us a call. I'll be happy to give you information and see which exact what kind of goals you have, and then exactly get you registered for a program that you do not have to come down. You'll be doing it pretty much remotely. We have programs like post-pregnancy weight loss program for women. We also have a pre-pregnancy weight loss program. We also have a program called Just Abs Level 1 for men and women. We also have a program called Just Abs Level 2 for men and women. And then we also have programs for teenager kids. And then, of course, we also have a 30-day fitness challenge, which, of course, is a little bit more fast-paced. But again, this is for people who've done either one of my courses or they've done a lot more or, quite a bit more training. But again, the different levels of programs. So if you're a beginner, yes, we have options. If you're someone who's done a lot of stuff and you've plateaued, you really want to kick it up a notch and burn those last 10 pounds. So I think the 30-day challenge is a good option for you. Again, you're welcome to give us a call. I'll be happy to talk to you and see exactly what you're looking for. And then, of course, take it from there. The phone number to get in touch with me is 408-320-8111. Again, 408-320-8111. You can also visit our website, rachnaradio.com, RACHNA, rachnaradio.com. You can also visit us through our Facebook page, facebook.com/rachnaradio. Facebook पे जाके go find Rachna Radio, and that's another way to get in touch with us. And also, like our page, and if you have any question, you can always ask me through the Facebook page also. And again, if you wanted to watch some videos that I've been doing, I stopped for last month. I'm going to start back again. But again, you will find a bunch of videos that I've posted. And these are videos for either a healthy way of cooking, or I've compared different kind of sugars, or I've compared different kind of salts, or I've compared different calories one versus the other, or fruits and vegetables, something that kind of is an eye-opener for a lot of people to look at. And also look, of course you've been hearing me for so many years, but if there's sometimes you want to look at stuff, so I'm talking about this oil versus this oil, then I'm showing you, okay, this is the brand that I would prefer versus this. So I think that really helps a lot of people, is what I've heard from. It's really good to kind of look at stuff too. So watch the videos. YouTube पे हमारा channel है called Rachna's Wellness. So go find YouTube. अगर आपके पास app है, या if you use a browser, just go to YouTube and then go find Rachna's Wellness. There's a channel there called Rachna's Wellness, and you can subscribe to my channel and watch the videos. Okay, and of course I'll be having quite a bit more coming starting again sometime in the week or so. Again, studio number 408-912-5565. Again, wanted to mention we have a complete 3-month weight loss program called Just Abs for men and women starting on August 1st. So if you're interested in a complete 3-month weight loss program, information about a little bit about the programs, anyone who's newer listener, is of course I start with first of all your goals to see exactly what you're looking to achieve, what your goals are, how much weight you have to lose, where do you want to focus on, and also how you've gained the weight, if you have any health condition, if you have a limitation, if you're on any kind of medication or whatever that scenario would be. And then I start with taking a weight, bunch of measurements, and also starting with body's testing of body's metabolism, so I know exactly how many calories you're burning per day. So once I have all those starting point numbers, and from there on, the whole programs are going to be, of course, a combination of complete nutritional, healthy, desi meal plans, something that the whole family can be part of, something that you can really adopt and learn from and make it as a lifestyle change, something that's not just a crazy diet. So we follow complete healthy desi nutrition meal plans, and we also follow complete exercise programs. Either you do it from home or you come to the center to learn them, and the remaining days you do it from home, or you can absolutely come down to the center and do it with me. So we have all different options available for people with, whatever schedule that you have, and, wherever that you live. And then from there on, every week, of course, it's going to be retesting to see how much weight and inches are you losing week by week. So that's how a lot of the programs are, set up. So again, information ke liye, registration ke liye, we do have a complete 3-month weight loss program for men and women called Just Abs. Like the name says, if you're really looking to lose weight from the abs, this is, of course, a fantastic program. I've been doing it for good about, 7+ years now. A fantastic program called Just Abs Level 1. Level 2, of course, is extremely hard, but Level 1 is, of course, hard too, but gets harder. Does give me a lot of time to teach you initially. So starts this August 1st. To register, to get information, to come and talk to me before you register, so you can kind of, get a little bit of information how the program works. You are welcome to give us a call, 408-320-8111. 408-320-8111. You can also contact us through my website, rachnaradio.com. You can also download an app called Rachna Fitness Radio on all the platforms, and you can also connect us to that, or through my Facebook page again, Rachna Fitness Radio, Rachna Radio on Facebook. Okay. Again, quickly studio number आपको दे दें before we start our topic for today, 408-912-5565. कोई भी question आप हमें call करके पूछ सकते हैं, exercise, nutrition, fitness related. Again, 408-912-5565. Okay. Some topics I wanted to talk about today is, first of all, I wanted to get into probiotics, which I'll get to kind of trying to, work towards that direction. But before that, there was just a thing that I was, reading yesterday. I wanted to talk about that is, can standing, there was an article and I wanted to share that with you. Can standing promote weight loss? And how much movement does it really take to burn out your favorite junk food? And I'm going to give you examples saying, this is what you need to do if you ate a burger. This is what you need to do if you drank a can of Coke, or some kind of soda. Okay. Now, before that, I wanted to first of all mention is that being slim, that's a thing a lot of people, I know we have some callers, so please keep holding. I'll be there in just less than a minute with you. So please hold on for the next minute and I'll be there soon. I'll take your call soon. But wanted to mention, being slim is not necessarily proof of being in optimal health. And that's a problem that I've seen commonly, if I would not just pick on any people, on specific people, but I've seen a lot of men especially coming from, I think, the southern part of India. For some reason, a lot of men don't gain weight, but a lot of high triglycerides in men in those areas, a lot of high cholesterol issues. One is that, of course, a lot of people, especially men, when they're thinner, it's just assumed you're thin, you don't have to exercise. It's just assumed you're thin. You just, you can eat whatever. You can eat rice, white rice on a daily basis. You're just thin, why would you bother, right? But again, sometimes it is very, very misleading or befooling, because thin का मतलब नहीं है कि आपकी body अंदर से healthy है. Okay, so being slim is not necessarily proof of being in optimal health. Let's go and take our call. We're going to be talking to Murthy from Los Altos. Hi Murthy, how are you? Okay. You're still, I'm sorry, off air or on air? Okay. Sure. Now, what health issues you said would you have? I know you said one is you're underweight. You're probably just not gaining weight, which again, a lot of again, weight sometimes doesn't say a lot. A lot of people just will always be thinner, and that's just the way the body is. And a lot of people sometimes might not always be skinny. That's just the way body is. But before that, what symptoms do we have? Are we having any health conditions? One, of course, I tell generally every person, I think, you need to do some kind of weight training, strength training, because that is what is going to keep your muscles strong, your joints strong, your bones strong. So do you do some kind of strength training? I think he was going to take my answer. Let's answer. I think he said off air is what he meant. It's supposed to on air. So, okay. So I think that's the first thing, Murthy, if you're listening to me, you want to make sure that what health conditions do you have, and one is that, of course, you need to start doing some strength training. It could be simple of 5 or a 6 pound or a 7 pound weight. Biceps, triceps, all those things need to start happening. The second thing I would suggest people, you need to make sure that your body is healthy in and out. That means you want to start taking. Again, talk to doctor, but you want to make sure आपका जो पूरा intestinal system है, the whole body system is nice and strong. So one thing that's always suggested to a lot of people is start taking probiotics, and I will be talking about that soon enough. Some kind of what are probiotics? Probiotics जो होते हैं healthy bacteria होते हैं जो आपके intestinal tract में होते हैं. जब तक वो आपके body में replenish नहीं होंगे, we're just going to have issues all the time. Let's say you're going to have allergies, you're going to have colds and flus and cough and whatnot. So I'll get to that in just a second. So let me go back to the show again. Again, studio number 408-912-5565. आप सुन रहे हैं रचना को रचना's fitness show पे. If you are interested in for complete programs, we have special programs, weight loss programs, strength training programs, post-pregnancy, just abs, fitness challenges. So we have all kind of programs so that you make sure that you have a fantastic body that you always wanted to have. In and out, mind-wise, body-wise, physical looking-wise. You can wear the clothes you wanted to wear. And I think that's an amazing thing to being able to wear what you wanted to wear without not having to suck your stomach, not having to feel that, this doesn't fit you well. And I think, whatever it is, but I think that works for mostly every person. So why not? So let's put it that way. So if you're looking to fit into the clothes that you just have not been able to fit, you're definitely welcome to give me a call. I'll be happy to get you started and make sure that you do fit in these clothes before you leave me. So that's that's something we'll definitely make it happen. So if you're interested in giving us a call, getting registered for any of our programs, phone number to get in touch with me is 408-320-8111, 408-320-8111. You can also find my contact information on my website, rachnaradio.com, or you can just Google and find Rachna's Wellness Center, Rachna's Wellness Center. Okay. So like I was talking about, is being slim alone is not necessarily a proof of being in optimal health. Okay. Metabolic dysfunction जिसको कहा जाता है, obesity कहा जाता है, या not even obesity, diabetes कहा जाता है, or some kind of metabolic syndrome कि आपके triglycerides high हैं, one of those things is a combination. Okay. First of all, I think childhood obesity की जो बात आती है, it's kind of a big concern just because it's not very common for kids nowadays to move a lot. Okay. And it's also found that as obese children are likely to suffer the consequences much earlier in their adult life. Okay. Why, before I again, go into a little bit more detail, I want to talk about why diets fail and exercise alone cannot counteract weight gain. One thing alone is just not going to work. Okay. If I again put it this way, most overweight people have tried dieting. Most of them. And it didn't work for them. And most have failed to lose any significant weight. Kind of true. Or they lost weight and they gain it all back, plus an additional few pounds. Why is that? The short answer is that this failure is due to an ineffective or an unsustainable approach. Okay, one of the keys to long-term weight management is healthy metabolism and mitochondrial function. कि आपकी जो body है, intestine है, आपकी जो tract system है, bacteria है body में, आपका metabolism अच्छा है, which is very important. नहीं तो आपका जो है हमेशा आप यो-यो में रहेंगे, weight कम होगा, weight बढ़ेगा, weight कम होगा, weight बढ़ेगा, issues आएंगे, what not. And I think if I again wanted to mention this, I think one of the reasons a lot of people lose weight, gain weight, lose weight, gain weight is because the main focus is calorie counting. Okay, only calorie counting is one of the many ineffective weight loss strategies out there. It doesn't work in long term, and the reason is because calories, first of all, have different. The kind of calories is very important. So when you're eating something, you want to make sure the kind of calories you're eating. Just counting calories, saying I'm going to eat 1,200 calories in a day, doesn't really mean anything. it really doesn't mean anything. And again, the second thing that doesn't work is starvation diets. If all you're doing is just starving yourself all throughout the day, pretty much all the time, that's again wrong. Exercise alone is also not going to work. Why? Because you just cannot out exercise your mouth. It's funny I say that, but yeah, आपके मुंह में जो जो जाएगा आप सोचेंगे आप इसको एक्सरसाइज करके बर्न कर लेंगे, that's not going to happen. So you just cannot simply out exercise your mouth. That means anything that goes in the mouth. Okay, so that's very important too. There was a recent study that was done by and what they wanted to see is that the number of calories burned by people by doing basic, simple office activities. So उन्होंने 4 groups में लोगों को divide किया. They took about close to 100 volunteers in the mid-20s, and they were all healthy people, randomly assigned. They were all given either one of the 4 fun. They were divided into one of the 4 groups. Okay, the first one was divided into sitting down. उनको बोला कि आप बैठो, typing on a computer for 15 minutes, followed by 15 minutes of standing still, making an effort and fidget as little as possible. Which I think a lot of people do nowadays at work is mostly we're sitting down, we might stand and talk to people a little, but that's pretty much what a lot of people do at work. Okay, the next group was sitting down, watching a television screen for 15 minutes, followed by 15 minutes, maybe a light walk on the treadmill. Okay, and then they also had a group of people standing up for 15 minutes, followed by 15 minutes again of sitting. So again, the gist is that they wanted to see baitna utna, what was going on. Okay, and what they did, they all, in fact, gave all the volunteers some kind of equipment that measured how many calories they were burning. Okay, the results showed that sitting burns about 20 calories per 15 minutes, regardless of whether you're actively typing or not. So if you think typing is burning extra calories, I mean, not really. So sitting burns about 20 calories in 15 minutes. Standing up burns about 25 calories approximately per 15 minutes. That's about close to 10 calories per 15 minutes more, okay, compared to sitting down. So that means, yes, standing up is burning about 10 extra calories in 15 minutes. I mean, not really too much, but yes, of course, makes a difference if you're going to be standing all throughout. It's funny, but you'll see a lot of this local schools in the Bay Area are actually now getting desks for kids in the schools that are going to be standing desks. So your kids won't get to sit in the school. And if you feel bad about that, oh my gosh, my kid or my daughter or my son are going to be standing all day, trust me, it's good for them. It is good for them, because I've had people talk about this. Wow, they're really changing that. My kid is going to get up in the morning and then go stand for 8 hours in the school, and they're like, oh wow, that's bad. I feel bad for my little one, but trust me, it is good for them. Definitely. So like I said, standing up burns about, close to 25 calories in about 15 minutes. Okay, walking nearly burns about 3 times more calories than either sitting or standing, with an hour of walking resulting in about close to 200 calories approximately each day. Okay, now these are not sufficient if you're looking to lose a lot of weight. But all I'm trying to get to is that just sitting down for about 2 to 3 hours is wrong. You need to get up every so often. You need to move around. You need to stand and do some lunges, do some squats, walk around, get the body more metabolically active out there. Okay, and in fact, there was another study done on call centers. Right, सबने सुना है कि call center में बस लोग, of course, they're mostly sitting down and taking calls, right? So experiments done on call center workers shown that standing up during work can significantly improve productivity. Okay, so what they did is that they made employees stand, okay, for most of the shift. So after 1 month, call center representatives who stood up during the shift generated 23% more successful calls compared to people who were sitting down. And after 6 months, the standing employees had 50% higher success rate compared to those who sat all day. So I guess it does make a difference. Sometimes we don't think about it, but it is. For whatever reason, you're standing up is definitely going to be more productive. You're going to be burning more calories, so why not? Okay. Another quick thing I wanted to share with you, that is how let's talk about some favorite junk foods a lot of people like to eat, and how much, and what I'm trying to get to is that if you think just some light exercise is going to burn what you put in that mouth, it's not going to do, because it's very easy to consume calories, and it's takes a lot of effort to burn them. So be careful to whatever you put in your mouth. Okay, so getting back to calorie burning, how much physical activity does it take to burn off some of your favorite meals or snacks? Like I mentioned, you cannot out-exercise your mouth. One of the reasons for this is sheer the amount of activity required to burn those excess calories that could be in one of the junk foods. For example, to work off just one single McDonald's Big Mac, To work out one single McDonald's Big Mac, men have to do about 40 minutes of really fast cardio, and women have to do even longer, for about 50 minutes of cardio just to burn one Big Mac. If you had large French fries with that, add another 40 minutes of cardio and about another 50 minutes of cardio for women. If you had a can of soda along with it, add another 15 minutes cardio for men and another about close to 15-16 minutes for women. So that means if you had a typical meal, which a lot of people will just go to McDonald's, grab a sandwich or a Big Mac or some kind of chicken sandwich, plus minus 100 calories here and there, and they had a fries and they had some kind of soda along with it. We're talking about close to 2 hours of good extreme cardio just to burn that meal, let alone the insulin shoot that happened in the body, let alone all the, lack of bad words, let alone all the bad stuff you put in your mouth, let alone all the bad oils, the trans fats, the saturated fat, all that stuff, let alone the meat, of course, is not organic over there, all that different stories of it, that's a different direction I'm going into, but let alone any of that stuff, just to burn the calories of that typical meal is taking you just about 2 hours of extreme cardio. So if you are sitting or about to turn in one of the drive-thrus of a fast food restaurant, you better turn back if you're listening to my radio show, because that is not right. If you do that, you cannot come back and complain or feel bad. Why are you gaining weight and why you can't lose weight because you exercised this morning? Oh, well, you exercised, but you're going to have to do another 2 hours just to burn that simple meal that you're going to be inducing right now. So if you're getting in a drive-thru of any of the fast food restaurants, you better turn around. Go back and eat something healthier, and you're going to be happy about that. Trust me. जब भूख लगी होती है ना तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, एकदम दिमाग में आता है कुछ अनहेल्दी मिले, बट जब आप हेल्दी खाते हो उसके बाद की जो सेटिस्फैक्शन होगी, it is out of the world. You feel amazing, you feel nice and clean from inside, and just that feeling, saying, कि मैंने वो गंदा खाना नहीं खाया, I had the power to resist myself and I ate something healthier, is an amazing feeling. So immediately हमेशा wrong decision होता है, but don't give in to it. Go and eat something healthier and you'll be happy. You'll be an amazingly happy person. Okay. Let's see. Again, Surya number 408-912-5565. 408-912-5565. Okay. So now just some quick basic tips and ideas for you is if you need to control your weight, eat real food and stay active. Okay. In a nutshell, if you're concerned about your weight and health, you need to address the quality of food, the ratio of carbs, fat कैसे खाते हो, किस तरह का fat खाते हो, किस तरह का protein खाते हो, and increase your physical activity level. Don't just make the mistake of trying to figure out कि कौन सा processed food better है store में या दूसरे से. उससे better है कि processed food खाओ मत, right? आप जाके एक लेबल से दूसरे लेबल को compare कर रहे हो कि processed food ये वाला better है, but they're all just about processed. Of course, there are better options, but eat just real food as close to natural state as possible. These simple and easy remember guidelines that I'm going to talk about is going to make, first of all, eat real food. Buy whole, ideally organic foods and cook from scratch. First of all, this will automatically reduce the added sugar consumption because that's the kind of, the root cause of weight gain. जब आप कोई भी तरह का processed food खाते हो. Okay, if you buy organic produce, first of all, you're also going to cut your exposure to pesticides and genetically engineered stuff. So that's another, benefit. And of course, you're not going to have artificial sweeteners added to it, no processed fats and whatnot, no trans fats. Definitely opt for organic grass-finished, grass-fed meats, so that आपका जो genetically engineered, modified pesticides, hormones, antibiotics आपकी body में सबसे ज़्यादा कम जाएं. Okay. Another thing I wanted to mention is that you need to reduce your net carbs. Net carbs in a day, not total carbs. That means you have to eat food with lots of fiber. Okay, fiber जो होता है, आप कोई भी अगर लेबल आप किसी चीज़ का मुड़ के देखते हैं उसके ऊपर जो भी कार्ब्स लिखे होते हैं वो टोटल कार्ब्स होते हैं, उसके अंदर फाइबर भी होता है. सो आपको जो नेट कार्ब्स हैं, दैट मीन्स टोटल कार्ब्स माइनस फाइबर कार्ब्स, shouldn't be probably more than 50 grams a day, 50. So net carbs about 50 grams, and that's never going to happen अगर आप बाज़ार की bread खाओगे, बाज़ार के sandwiches खाओगे, white rice खाओगे हमेशा all the time, or in general grains ज़्यादा खाओगे, so it's very hard to keep your 50 grams of net carbs a day. Okay, and also restrict too much protein. You want to have protein, but don't just overdo on protein. You probably want to take maybe about 1 gram per kilogram of your body weight. So 1 gram, so let's say if you weigh 60 kgs, we're probably looking at 60 grams of protein a day. Okay, try having Good amount of calories from fat, good quality fat. एवोकाडो खाना शुरू करो, को प्योर ऑर्गेनिक देसी घी होना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा कोकोनट ऑयल होना चाहिए, थोड़े से मैकेडेमिया नट्स, some healthy raw nuts is important too. So good amount of fat is important too, because trust me, these kind of fat, good जो fat होता है आपको कभी मोटा नहीं करेगा. आपको सिर्फ वेट गेन होता है जब हम कनोला ऑयल खाते हैं, सफोला ऑयल खाते हैं, ट्रांस फैट्स खाते हैं, सैचुरेटेड फैट गलत टाइप के ज़्यादा खाते हैं, वेजिटेबल ऑयल ज़्यादा खाएंगे, बट हेल्दी फैट इज़ नॉट गोना रियली मेक यू फैट. It actually increases your body's metabolism, healthy fat. Another thing I wanted to mention is that, for a lot of people who might have plateaued and you've done everything and maybe cleaned up your diet and whatnot, if you're really struggling with some little bit weight, consider. I'm not, like I said, I'm not telling you to fast, but you need to consider something what is called intermittent fasting. So if you're struggling with excess weight and you've cleaned up your diet, you've done pretty much anything you've tried or you can think about, you want to consider the timing of the meals. Intermittent fasting can be very effective for helping your body shift from sugar burning mode to fat burning mode. Okay? क्यों? जब कुछ भी खाना खाते हो, इवन वेजिटेबल्स होती हैं, फ्रूट्स होती है, एनीथिंग, राइट? किसी भी तरह का उसके अंदर कोई भी ग्लूकोज होगा तो फाइनल स्टार्च होगा, वो फाइनली हमारी बॉडी में शुगर में कन्वर्ट होता है, पार्ट ऑफ इट, एक्सेप्ट द फाइबर पार्ट ऑफ इट, कुछ ना कुछ शुगर में कन्वर्ट होगा. और जब भी आपकी बॉडी को शुगर अवेलेबल होती है, वॉट एवर यू डूइंग इन द डे, सबसे पहले शुगर बर्न होगी जो आपकी ब्लड स्ट्रीम में है, उसके बाद यू कैन गेट टू फैट. सो व्हेन देयर इज नथिंग इन द बॉडी, सम डेज, लेट्स से 2 days in a month, okay, 2 days in a month, you want to try intermittent fasting. So let your body move from sugar burning mode to fat burning mode, because there's no sugar available, it's going to directly go attack the fat. Okay. Having said that, again, study number 408-912-5565, 408-912-5565. You have a question apne weight loss related, weight gain related, nutrition, exercise related, something you've been trying and it's not working for you, or you just need some advice in terms of what or where to get started, or you've tried everything. Whatever that question would be, I've love to answer your question, help you as much as I can. हमारे स्टूडियो पर भी कॉल कर सकते हैं. हमारा स्टूडियो का नंबर है 408-912-5565. You're listening to Rachna from Rachna's Fitness Center. I'm the owner of Rachna's Wellness. That was started about close to 10-11 years ago. And of course, it's locally located here in Sunnyvale, California. But again, I've expanded quite a bit in terms of remote programs. हमारे सारे programs can be done from wherever you live. They've been extremely well designed. So again, I would love to talk to you if you're interested in your or any program, or in general you just have a weight loss goal but you do not have a direction. I would love to give you direction. आप कॉल कर सके, हमसे बात कर सकते हैं. मेरा पर्सनल फ़ोन नंबर होगा बिजनेस का. To get in touch with me is 408-320-8111. Again, 408-320-8111. And again, we do have many different programs. So आप हमारे सेंटर पे कर सकते हैं, आप रिमोटली कर सकते हैं, आप कॉम्बिनेशन क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. Let's say you're only available once a week or twice a week to come down. The rest days you want to do it from home. So we have all different programs created for people accordingly. And also the area of the body that you wanted to focus on. So I have different programs. Let's say you want to focus on upper body training, or abs, or legs, or complete cardio, or complete toning up. So the different programs created accordingly for different people. To get in touch with me, to get registered, first of all, I wanted to mention I have my next 3-month weight loss program called Just Abs for men and women starting August 1st. So August 1st is the start date. If you want to get registered in the program that starts on August 1st, a complete 3-month weight loss program for men and women, Just Abs, starts August 1st. To get registered, come and talk to me or over the phone, 408-320-8111. Website is rachnaradio.com, R-A-C-H-N-A, rachnaradio.com. You can also contact us on my Facebook page, facebook.com/rachnaradio. And again, wanted to mention, go check out my YouTube channel called Rachna's Wellness. And of course, you can watch a bunch of the videos I've shot over there about, food, nutrition. So it's a channel on YouTube called Rachna's Wellness. Watch the videos, subscribe to my channel so you know when I post more videos. And also watch all the videos and of course, give them a thumbs up. Okay. What else? So again, August 1st is the start date for the complete 3-month weight loss program. To get registered, आप call कर सकते हैं 408-320-8111. The program is going to be a good combination of pretty much everything to make sure that you lose the weight, you get healthy. If you're on a medication, let's try to get rid of the medication in a very healthy way. I'm going to start with your weight, metabolism, testing, measurements, and then from there on, keep a track of everything pretty much on a weekly basis, and follow complete healthy exercise programs, exercise sessions, either from home or remotely. remotely or coming down to my center, and also following complete nutritional plans, healthy desi nutritional meal plans. So it's going to be a complete 13-week course. That's how I design my courses, where everything changes week by week. And then we also have programs like 30-day fitness challenge, which is a little bit higher level than the 3-month program. But again, give me a call. I'll be happy to see exactly which program is best for you and take it from there. Again, phone number to get in touch with me is 408-320-8111, 408-320-8111. Okay. Next thing I wanted to talk about is something that I do get asked all the time is a cough. You know, काफ़ी लोगों को हमेशा एक जिसको कहा जाता है क्रॉनिक कॉफ रहती है. सो एंड वो हर तरह की मेडिकेशन भी ले लेंगे, एंटीबायोटिक्स भी ले लेंगे, बस जिस कॉफ नहीं जाती है. So one thing that, two things that probably you need to be working on is your probiotics and vitamin B12. ये दोनों चीज़ों की डेफिशिएंसी से आप कुछ भी करते रहोगे, your cough might not go away. Okay, so having said that, let's go talk a little bit more about probiotics and see if we can deal with this issue in a very healthy way, and the overall body को आप साथ में healthy बनाओगे, not just getting rid of the cough. Okay, cough is just a symptom, or let's say an outcome of something that's wrong in the body, right? It's just not cough. So let's go first of all talk about probiotics. Probiotics होते हैं, they're first of all yeast or bacterial organisms जो हमारी इंटेस्टाइन्स को लाइन करते हैं अंदर. तो जब हमारा खाना, हम कोई भी खाना खाते हैं, वो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन के थ्रू जाता रहता है. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन इज प्रीटी बिग, राइट? सो दैट्स द बिगर इंटेस्टाइन, जहाँ खाना डाइजेस्ट होता है. जब डाइजेस्ट होता है तो उसकी लाइनिंग में बहुत सारे बैक्टीरिया होते हैं, गुड बैक्टीरिया, जो ज़रूरी है उस खाने को डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए. अगर आपने कभी भी एंटीबायोटिक का कोर्स किया है, एंटीबायोटिक का मतलब क्या होता है? बैक्टीरिया मारना. अब उसने गलत बैक्टीरिया मारा, बट उसने गुड बैक्टीरिया भी आपका बॉडी का किल कर दिया. जो आपके इंटेस्टाइन के अंदर जो अच्छा बैक्टीरिया था, वो a lot of it probably got killed, or many things would have done that. Processed foods have done that, pollution does that, so many things do that, but antibiotic course in general does quite a bit of that. Okay, so what happens अगर आपके जो इंटेस्टाइन लाइनिंग के अंदर जो गुड बैक्टीरिया था वो अब नहीं रह गया या बहुत कम रह गया, तब कोई भी खाना खाओगे आपको डाइजेस्ट नहीं होगा. अब उसके बहुत सारे साइड इफेक्ट्स होते हैं. ऑफ कोर्स वेट गेन इज़ वन ऑफ देम. जस्ट एब्जॉर्प्शन आपकी बॉडी में ठीक नहीं होगी, आपकी बॉडी हमेशा वीक आपको फील करेगी, क्योंकि आपको डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो रहा, आपका बॉडी डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो रहा आपका खाना, तो आपकी एब्जॉर्प्शन ही आपकी नहीं होगी खाने की, मिनरल्स की, न्यूट्रिएंट्स की फ्रॉम द फूड दैट यू ईटिंग, राइट? So how do probiotics help you with any of this thing? First of all, we all know what germs and pathogens are, right? कि जब भाई हम सांस लेते हैं मुंह से, नाक, nose से, whatever it is, so we're inhaling germs, right? We inhale pathogens which are all around us. Probiotics क्या करते हैं? They compete with these germs and they actually bind on the sites. Okay, they actually bind on the sites like our nose, mouth, throat, and gastrointestinal tract. So that means they're not going to let the germs bind there at the same time, because they're binding there. Okay, so, and again, probiotics have also been known to produce small amounts of vitamin K and B vitamins also in the body. Okay, now another question you might have is, how can we get probiotics from the diet? Okay, of course you need to take probiotics, right? How do we get it from the diet? All fermented foods contain some kind of probiotics. Not all of them would have the best of it, but all fermented, जब ये fermentation करते हो किसी भी खाने की, उसके अंदर probiotics create होते हैं. Kefir, yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso. Again, not a big fan of miso just because it's a soy product. Either try to get organic miso or I just wouldn't get miso, honestly. But kefir, yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, many of these foods also contain prebiotics, a flora that help actually grow आपकी जो probiotics को बढ़ाने के लिए. But in general, yes, you can eat a lot of these fermented foods and get a lot of probiotics, but of course you need to eat a couple servings every day. Okay, or you can also get it in different form, which just comes in a powder, tablet, or a capsule. Again, to mention, I have my own brand of all vitamins, and actually we have our vitamin, I forgot to mention any of that thing. We also have my Rashna's Wellness brand of probiotics. अगर आप हमारे सेंटर से लेना चाहते हैं, हम आपको शिप कर सकते हैं. You can always come back to the center, pick it up yourself. We also have a brand of protein powders, all non-GMO protein powders. We also have an elaichi flavor protein powder. Then we have chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry flavors. And then we also have my vitamin D and K2 combination protein vitamins, vitamin D3 and K2, vitamin K2 combination. And then also my own brand of Rachna's Wellness probiotics. It's a fantastic formulation of the probiotics that we have. Okay, so you can always come and pick it up from me, or of course order online. We can ship them to you also. Okay, so like I said, अगर आप खाने से आपको enough नहीं मिल रहे हैं, जो बहुत मुश्किल है खाने से इतने enough लेना. I mean, how much fermented foods you could eat in a day? But like I said, aside from food, you can also obtain in a powder form, tablet form, liquid form, capsule form. हर तरह में probiotics मिलते हैं. You want to make sure that you're getting the maximum strains. That means her strain is one kind of bacteria. So you want to make sure that you get at least a 10 strain combination of probiotics. Okay, and the reason I'm saying that, I saw someone recently, and this person has been taking probiotics for a long time, and the probiotic, and I asked him, how many do you take? He's like, oh, I take 20, 30 a day. I'm like, wow, why would he take 20, 30 a day? And I asked him to show me the bottle he was taking. And that bottle had so low potency that it made sense why he would need 20, 30 a day. So get something that's at least about 10 billion or 20 billion in one capsule, and all you need is one a day. You don't need to take 20, 30 a day. I mean, you know, otherwise it's just extremely low potency and you're going to keep eating probiotics pretty much all day. So that is definitely not required. Another question that I wanted to, of course, answer is that you want to make sure that probiotics go up to the cooler temperature. So maybe try to keep it in the fridge. Any high quality probiotic supplement would be shelf stable for at least, you know, couple weeks or maybe a month. But उसके बाद अगर आप ज़्यादा खोलने के बाद यूज़ करते हैं, possibly try to keep it in the refrigerator just because it keeps the जो organisms हैं alive longer. Okay, want to talk a couple of cases. So आपको समझ है कि मैं probiotic की क्यों बात कर रही हूँ. First of all, I'm going to talk a couple of different cases over here, very simple cases of probiotics का फ़ायदा किन लोगों को हुआ. So there was this older female patient who came to me, and she had, you know, some symptoms, and she actually had an irritable bowel syndrome. After initial discussion, we explored the categories कि वो कौन सा food कम कर सकती हैं, जिस inflammation कम होगी, and consequently she started to remove a lot of the foods from the diet. Her symptoms went away by about 60%. But she wanted to know if there's something else that she can do to get rid of the complete symptoms, absolutely symptoms. So I gave her probiotics to try. So we started with gluten-free diet, and then we went on a dairy-free diet. And then after about 4 weeks, she noticed all the symptoms were gone. All the symptoms were gone. So now, of course, she's taking probiotics daily. And recently, in fact, she told me that she's had pretty much no cold or flu during the whole last winter season. So that's amazing because this person used to have a lot of colds and flus. So that is what probiotics did to one person. Another thing I wanted to mention, another case that I had is that this person had a lot of course, I think cold again, a lot of cold and cough and all kind of issues. And this person started taking probiotics, a lot of cough issues, you know. And I'll tell you why. First of all, probiotics are not a medicine. Okay, so it's not something that's just going to relieve the cough. कि आप सोएं कि cough हो रही है, probiotic खा लो भी ठीक हो जाएगा आज रात तक. It's not a medicine, so that's not going to do it, but it's going to treat the underlying conditions. Lactobacillus जो एक strain होता है, जो of course yogurt में भी होता है, but potency बहुत कम होगी, तो आप कितना yogurt खा लोगे, right? So lactobacillus जो strain होता है probiotic का, one of the strains of bacteria, okay. It has many researches that I've read suggest that lactobacillus prevents colds and flu, and possibly a lot of allergies to pollen. One study found that children in daycare centers who drank milk fortified with lactobacillus had fewer and less severe colds and fewer flu-like symptoms. Now, wanted to mention, जब हम अल्ट्रा पैस्चराइज मिल्क पीते हैं, जो यहाँ मिलता है, जिसको UHT कहा जाता है, अल्ट्रा हाई टेम्परेचर पे मिल्क पैस्चराइज हुआ है, उसके अंदर बहुत सारे बैक्टीरिया मर चुका होता है. So I always suggest people, you can give raw milk a try, but at least try to get milk that's not ultra high pasteurized. It's a very, it's one of the strong signs that you're probably, of course, deficient in vitamin D and vitamin B12. Muscle weakness, tingling in maybe extremities, mental fogginess, कि आप अचानक drive कर रहे हो and you just blur out. Everything just fades out, you know, for maybe a second or 2 seconds, maybe a couple of seconds longer for that. Trouble in sleeping, okay, mood swings. So these are a couple of the symptoms that your vitamin B12 could be lower. So ask your doctor to get it tested. And like I said, is vitamin B12 deficiency is very much connected to mystery cough that a lot of people get at late at night. So, okay. What else? And also wanted to mention that vitamin B12 जो होता है बहुत आसान है लेना. It's something extremely non-toxic and pretty inexpensive too. Okay, so if you aren't getting enough vitamin B12 in your diet, like I mentioned, I recommend you begin supplementation immediately with either there's an under the tongue एक mist spray मिलती है जिसको vitamin B12 कहा जाता है, या फिर डॉक्टर आपको vitamin B12 के injections या shots भी दे सकते हैं. So you're And I know a lot of people who take vitamin B12 injections or shots, the energy really goes up for good about 6 months, and the doctor just says, come back every 5 or 6 months, I'm going to give you one more shot, and that's it. I mean, and it's just non-toxic. So like I said, explore about it, talk to your doctor about it. Okay. Studio number 408-912-5565, 408-912-5565. आप सुन रहे रचना को रचना's fitness show पे. If you're interested in a complete weight loss program, we do have many different programs that are offered for people with different needs, different goals, different schedules. The first step would be to get in touch with me. We can talk over the phone. We can set up a time for you to come in to my center, which is located in Sunnyvale here on El Camino Real in California, and I'll be happy to talk to you. We can sit and talk and see exactly what your goals are and what are you looking to achieve. उसके लिए आप हमें call कर सकते हैं to set up an appointment or talk to me over the phone. The number is 408-320-8111, 408-320-8111. You can also get all the contact information to get in touch with me through my website, rachnaradio.com, RACHNA, rachnaradio.com. And of course, through Facebook page also, facebook.com/Rachna Radio. Go find our page on Facebook page, Rachna Radio. Like our page, and you have another option of getting in touch with me through that page too. And we also have our own brand of protein powders that come in chocolate, vanilla, strawberry flavors, all non-GMO protein powders. They're not sweetened with no artificial sweetening, absolutely. But I'm absolutely against. They're only sweetened with stevia, and actually they taste amazingly. They taste very good. Anyone who takes them saying, oh wow, I thought protein powders don't taste good, but these are pretty nice and I do actually like them. So that's what the protein powders are. And then I also have my own line of vitamin D3 and K2 combination vitamins, which are the best combination that you should always be taking. You should always be taking vitamin D with only K2. It's just the thing that just needs to happen for sure. You please do not take vitamin D alone. You definitely need to be taking with vitamin K2. And what else? And then of course I have my own line of probiotics. So to order any of these supplements, vitamins, आप हमें call कर सकते हैं. We can ship them to you. You can also go to my website and order them, or just call us and then we'll let you know the hours. You can come by and pick it up yourself. Again, the phone number 408-320-8111. Okay. Studio number, if you have a question, I'll be happy to take your call still. Phone 408-912-5565, 408-912-5565. ये है स्टूडियो का नंबर अभी हमसे मुझसे बात करने के लिए. Okay. Since we have just a little bit of time remaining, I'm just going to pick some small topics. Another thing, one or two, in fact, I was reading this and I saw a quick video on this and actually showed that. So I can't really show you video right now, but I can at least talk about it. What happens inside your stomach when you eat instant noodles? There's a video and you'll find it online. So go find it online. It's pretty cool to look at it. But what happens inside your stomach when you eat some kind of instant noodles? Researchers used a pill-sized camera. Okay, छोटा सा कैमरा होता है जो आपकी बॉडी में भेजते हैं, right? They use a pill-sized camera to see what happens inside your stomach and digestive tract after you eat any kind of instant noodles. Even after 2 hours, the instant noodles were remarkably intact. It's funny, I'm telling you, go watch the video, go find it yourself, or maybe I can find it and post my Facebook page so you guys can check it out there. But after 2 hours, the instant noodles were intact, break नहीं हुए, digest नहीं हुए. I mean, seriously? Okay, so आप सोचोगे तो अच्छी बात है, digest तो हो नहीं रहा तो calories नहीं लगेंगी. Not really. Okay, so what happens during this long digestive time? Your stomach, first of all, everyone knows instant noodles mostly सबके अंदर MSG डला होता है, which is the monosodium glutamate. That is extremely wrong for you, bad for you. And they also have a very toxic preservative, which is called TBHQ. Pteryl-butyl hydroquinone, forget the long name, but TBHQ एक toxic preservative होता है जो mostly सारे instant noodles में डला होता है. Okay, and of course a lot of other additives and sodium and whatnot extra, and of course MSG. So 2 घंटे के बाद उन्होंने कैमरा से देखा तो instant noodles वैसे की वैसे थे आपकी stomach के अंदर. They were intact in the digestive tract too. So that means 2 घंटे तक आपकी बॉडी को, आपके intestinal tract को exposure मिलता रहा उन सारे toxics का. So during this, and that's what the video shows. So during this long digestive time, your stomach gets prolonged exposure to all the toxic preservatives that I just talked about. Okay, interesting. So, and again, another connection here is that women who consumed more instant noodles had a significantly greater risk of, diabetes and a lot of other issues, regardless of the overall diet and exercise habits. Women who ate instant noodles more than twice a week were 68% more likely to have a bigger waist size. So women who ate instant noodles more than twice a week, I'm not picking any brand names, and I know you all understand when we talk about brand names, especially a lot of Desi people even when it comes to instant noodles. But women who ate instant noodles more than twice a week were 68% likely to have a bigger waist size. Interesting. Okay. So again, आप सुन रहे हैं राशना को राशना's fitness show पे. Do come every Wednesday 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. हमारा studio का number है. You are welcome to give us a call. I'll be happy to take a call and answer whatever questions you might have. Exercise, nutrition, fitness से related, weight loss related. अपने phone number है 408-912-5565. 408-912-5565. And again, wanted to mention, हमारा जो complete 3-month weight loss program है, a batch is starting August 1st. It's a complete 3-month weight loss program that I'm going to make sure that you lose a lot of weight, especially from your waistline all over, so that you have a fantastic body and you feel fantastic about yourself. And I have had people who've done in a mere 3-month course, they got rid of the medications. You know, a lot of people had to stop taking, had is the wrong word, but they just didn't have to take blood pressure medications or cholesterol medications. And of course, sugar went back in control. A lot of good things will start to happen. But in general, if you're looking to lose weight, get healthy, we do have a complete 3-month weight loss program called Just Abs, starts August 1st for men and women. And of course, all age groups are welcome. I divide people accordingly for men and women both. So again, to get registered, to come and talk to me, set up an appointment. Phone number is 408-912-5565, 408-912-5565. Another quick thing, again, wanted to talk about is just a quick study that just came out, I think, a couple of days ago, since we only have a couple minutes left to wrap up. Exercise can lower your risk of a dozen of cancers by about anywhere between 30 to 50%. Just exercise. And why wouldn't you exercise? Still listening to me after this, and then, I mean, who wants to have cancer, right? किसी भी तरह का कैंसर, अभी वो नाम से अभी भी हम लोग सारे डर जाते हैं. तो अगर कोई ऑप्शन है उसको maybe avoid करने की, why not? Okay, so exercise is crucial for optimal health is nothing. Nobody knows about that. But like I said, it can also improve a lot of chances of recovery should you develop cancer. Okay, the longer you exercise, the more pronounced the benefits. Studies show that people who exercise during their early years have a lower risk of cancer later in their life. For example, compared to inactive people, I'm going to give you very simple numbers and think about it. For compared to inactive people, active men and women have a 30% lower risk of breast cancer, 38% reduced risk of invasive breast cancers, 30 to 40% low risk of colon cancer, 44% low risk of any kind of bowel cancer after the age of 65, 55% low risk of lung cancer. I think these are amazing numbers. Having said that, if you could start exercising and keep your body clean, just about half of the rate of cancer, of any cancer, is gone. Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you? And I would love to help you if you need to get started, need motivation, whatever that you need, get you back on track, give you direction, and from there on, make you a happy person so you lose weight, feel good about yourself, and, you know, forget about all these cancers, because trust me, a lot of these things are avoidable. Okay, so again, to get in touch with me, to get registered for any of the programs, phone number is 408-320-8111, 408-320-8111. You can also contact us through my Facebook page, facebook.com/Rachna Radio. Again, wanted to mention, हमारे सारे programs आप remotely कर सकते हैं. If you do not live close to my center in Sunnyvale, you're welcome to be a part of any of the programs. सारे programs आप remotely attend करेंगे. Coaching programs, nutrition programs, exercise programs, जो आपको सिखाए जाएंगे exercises, आप exercise करेंगे मेरे साथ, but you could do it from anywhere. It works from all different platforms. If it's a computer, phone, so it works from everywhere. So once I talk to you, you're welcome to give me a call. I'll be happy to see आपके क्या goals हैं, and then create a program for you accordingly. All of our programs also work on complete healthy Desi meal plans. So you work on the whole combination of losing weight, getting healthy, and of course, you know, being a good and a fit person moving on. Okay, so our next complete 3-month batch of the weight loss program for men and women called Just Abs is starting on August 1st. To get registered, come and talk to me. Our phone number is 408-320-8111, 408-320-8111. Website to get in touch with me is rachnaradio.com, RACHNA, rachnaradio.com, or Facebook page, facebook.com/Rachna Radio. Again, go check out my YouTube video page. It is my own video channel where I've been posting a lot of nutrition and health videos. And so go check out the page. It's on YouTube called Rachna's Wellness. Subscribe to my channel so you know when exactly I'm posting new videos that you could definitely benefit from. So again, to get in touch with me, register for a complete weight loss batches starting soon. Phone number is 408-320-8111, 408-320-8111. I'll be again here next Wednesday. Till then, keep fit and keep working out.